Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable Incognito Mode in the foremost web browsers in the XIAOMI A1 Plus. So we're going to start from the Microsoft Edge. Here just click here on the taskbar icon, choose in private and add a tab. The next one Opera, it's exactly the same like before. Click taskbar icon, switch to the private, add a tab. The next one, Firefox. In the Firefox from the welcome screen, just click here on the zero mask. If the blue background is purple, that means you are in the incognito mode. You can also go to the taskbar icon, switch to the zero mask and add a tab. And the last one, the Google Chrome, you have to click here on this 3-dot icon or arrow icon, choose the incognito tab, and you are in the incognito mode. And your history, completed forms, the words from the keyboard will be not saved on your device. That's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.